here. After taking reference 1976 and open to get job and change job from disabled people. And before we go start to step by step how we can handle our Nigerian process record. After that we have a look what's up later. To make a lack of painting and still we only make that hand step by step. And we have three ways to make a lack of painting here. The first way we can painting. Second way we use dark shell. And first way we use C-cell, which is mother pearl shell. To make a lack of painting, inside we make a wood body inside. This wood in this body more than this. After that we coating with pan. After coating with pan, we use lacquer oil. Lacquer oil we cut from the tree oil. We use lacquer oil filling. Wait for lacquer right until 24 hours. Wait for lacquer right. And you waste all the same paper polythene. Filling polythene, filling polythene 4 times. After filling polythene 4 times, we line the lacquer again. And about 24 hours, wait for lacquer right. We polythene again. And lining polythene 4 times. Then we revise the same over the same for the wood body. Just wait for the wood body very carefully. We just wait for the wood body very carefully. And when product finishes, when the weather change color, before the wood body is never ready to come up. It can be control for the country. After when the wood body very carefully, we painting on the dark shell or the pearl cell on top. And if we wait here, the pearl cell, this is the hardest way. It takes longer time than dark shell and painting. Step by step, how they can do in the video this, I will show you more details step by step how we can make it. I would like to use this picture. This picture we combine it and three techniques together. We have mother pearl cell that has a lighting, white color we use dark shell, and red color is hand painting. We have 3 in 1. This picture is not yet finished. In this picture we want to show with Miss Aoya and traditional dress. With white color symbol for high school girl and red color symbol for teacher. Over there I will show you how we make dark shell for teacher. The accent here we use dark shell and we collect from the local farm. We try the shell, this one we have delicate inside and after we get out we use this shell. It's thicker and stronger than the egg. And we also brush the shell to get the round color. To make a shell and put together, this lady is use lacquer oil. Lacquer oil we take from the lacquer tree and mix with the castor oil so that it gets black color. This lady is still pour lacquer on top of the wood first. After that, still break one by one lacquer shell, different side of color, stick on top, and use a sharp knife to make them break one by one, piece by piece. This step it looks simple like this, but one coding is 100% focus because one more mistake every point on the picture. And the actual after this lady is like they're rough and this one not smooth. You can feel. This is after we white. Right for eggshell and put together, then we coat lacquer and polish it.
ये चिकना हो गया
ये जो again until the eggshell becomes black and smooth.
ये वाला
This is before
दरदरा है
lacquer polishing.
7 days लगते हैं
After we like that
बनाने में जी
This is eggshell powder. We use machine to grind the eggshell powder. Red eggshell powder. And normally we use dark eggshell powder to make the background for the picture. Like this design we use dark eggshell powder. Before and after we polishing. After they top it rough, not smooth, we coat lacquer and polishing 20 times and still become black and smooth as well. And this one is not yet finished. The finished one it looks like a mirror. This one not yet finished. I will show you how we cut the scissors.
सात दिन लग जाते हैं लंबा
The big one and the old one, they first got the beautiful color. And we just use a scissors slide up and make the big thread for them then. That's this one. And you put inside and top on the pearl. Then install like this. Install the first gift. Still look simple like this one, but just sharp in the jaw. And to come on the first day, I will turn this way to have a little bit of this to cut it small by one. Cut it one by one. lacquer. We like that cell, we put the lacquer on. We about 24 hours with the lacquer, right? Then what thing, what can I use in Weston? I use Weston to polish. After that, I use sandpaper.
जो पॉलिश किया है उसको छुड़ा रहे हैं और छुड़ाने के बाद में जो एग सेल है वो बाहर आ जाते हैं।
And I want to show you the prettiest one. How we make it.
बताएं
नहीं
आप
कोई नहीं कोई नहीं।
We're using the cowrie.
ये हम पीछे जा रहे हैं बस उसके पीछे।
चले जाओ।
This man he totally cowrie with top of picture. After that, they sign it by hand, and still the picture becomes shiny. It's a finished product. Look at the mirror. The finished one. The finished one picture we